All right, guys, we're getting back to racing this weekend in Unadilla. Right here is the schedule. Saturday, August 12th, race day live, 10 a.m. Gate drop, 3 p.m. Eastern time. Let's talk about a little bit of news now. Jay Wilson will be filling Eli Tomac's spot for these last 3 rounds. You guys will have to excuse me. I know who he is. I don't know anything about him. So maybe some of you guys from Australia can drop some things down in the comments and tell us about this guy. I've been told that he helps out with testing with Yamaha, and they need him to ride for data and stuff like that, and he's pretty fast. I think this is kind of old news, but they finally did a press release. AP extends his stay for another year. It says through 2024 SMX with KTM. Unadilla pictures came out. It's looking pretty epic. I'm a little irritated because every time I've ever been up the Unadilla, I've never got to ride this track. Obviously, they have the amateur track in the back. I've rode it. Always wanted to ride this one, though. It looks sweet. Super Motocross has announced there's camping available at the first 2 rounds. So if you're going to want to go watch these races and camp, you can go to this link and get your spot reserved. Also, interesting thing here, Nicholas Israel, who won 2 motos in the 450B class at Loretta's, is making his debut in the 250 class at Unadilla this weekend. Jack Courtney brings up a very good point. Says, someone wanted to explain to me how he went from B to pro in a week. Meanwhile, guys who have made nationals this year get denied. So Votto came back and said they checked on this. He used his Chile National Federation to get himself an FIM pro license. This loophole will be closed after this incident. Interesting. And happy belated birthday to Isaiah Gore, one of the AOMC rider reps, ripping the Yamaha YZ85 with the RTI suspension. See you guys in the next video.